Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I am just really excited today as I received my first package from Juice Plus. And the other exciting thing about this is that I kind of really get tired, you know, like I feel very tired all the time. I wake up tired, I go to bed tired. So I knew definitely there was something that was lacking in my system, because sometimes, some months, like I would get vitamins B, D, like I would get some supplements. Yeah. So when I get that, I kind of noticed that my overall health improved. I was energetic. I've got so many things to do. I've got to make some YouTube videos. I'm a mom as well, and I've got a full-time job, so it's like, and I've got to keep my house in order, so it's like me having so much to do but without much energy. And sometimes my body will be tired, so I will be laying down in bed, not because I want to sleep, but I'm just kind of resting my body because I can't even everything is just tired. I just have to lay down. When I lay down, I'm not going to bed right away. I will be in that position for like 2 more hours, 3 more hours doing nothing, just kind of I'll try and read things online and the like, and my mind wants to do so much, but there is like the body just can't take it. So I was like, this is it, I need to get myself back on some supplements. And then while I was thinking about that, I was also kind of thinking to also improve my financial life, my finances, you know. I just need like a massive financial muscle. I need money flowing in from everywhere, guys. So, and it's good for you. It's good for someone to have different streams of income. Yeah. So when someone introduced me to Juice Plus, I pushed it aside at first. I was like, no, not for me. And then I kind of got to on the website. She gave me her website, so I kind of went there to check the products and, you know, kind of check what these products are made out of, the nutrients, the benefits. So then I realized to say, this is exactly what I am looking for. And I was like, so if I buy this product, I'm kind of feeding my body. And then if I join the franchise, yeah, if I join the company, I will then kind of be killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So I will be getting some commission on the products that I'm buying for my personal use. So for my health, I'm getting commission on that. And on the other side is that I will be earning a massive income, like, yeah. So this is going to support my full-time job. So I was like, this is good. I'm going in on this. I'm going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm going to look after my health and also increase my financial capacity. So increase my life, make myself happy, be able to shop, be able to look after my family, be able to surprise my parents, my kids, my sisters with something massive. So I'm excited. And I had to order for my first package. Yeah, so this just got delivered by DHL. It's not long. I think I ordered it the other day. So I'm just going to open this, and this is my first ever, like the first ever. I was like, I'm gonna make a video for this. So guys, bear with me. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. There is nothing as exciting as someone having extra income. So I will put in my best, and if you would like to join me, yeah, do leave a comment. Let's do this. Let's start our 2021 with, you know, energized goals to reach out for. So I just opened that, and this is how it looks. So that's my receipt. There we go. And these are the two products. Sorry, two products that I bought. So I bought the booster and I bought the juice. What is this? The berry. This is a berry blender, I believe. Berry what? Berry blend. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And that just kind of goes with my eyeshadow, hey? So this is from there, yeah, and there are tea in there. I believe this is gonna last me a while, and it says Real Nutrition Beta Life. I have done quite a massive research, you know, about what we eat and stuff like that. So I kind of read too much. So anything that is any nutrients, if you're looking for supplements, yeah, if you're looking for things like this, vitamin supplements to add and to aid your diet, always go for something that is plant-based. They are very good. These ones are plant-based and GMO-free, gluten-free, preservatives-free, and they are vegan. Like, they're suitable for vegans as well. Anything suitable for vegans, just know it is the bomb. It is good. So guys, I joined because I want to see a better me, better health, revived skin, revived hair. I need my hair. Next year I need this hair to be, you know, rich in there. Actually, this is just kind of shrinkage, you know, when 4C hair shrinks. So that's my hair, and I believe kind of, you know, changing my lifestyle, adding these supplements to my diet. I do not want to lose any weight. I just want to maintain and look good. So because I don't want to gain any more weight, yeah, and I don't want to lose. This is why I bought the booster. So this, for those that want to lose weight, they can use this. And for those that want to maintain their weight, like myself, they don't want to go anymore, they can use this. So it all, like, if you want to lose weight, you could have this like every day. I'm just going to open that and see. Look at that. So that's a lot. That's gonna last me a while. These are the sachets that's gonna last me a while, because I will be kind of having, let's say, 1 in 3 days. I want to maintain, I don't want to lose. And these are packed just with all the nutrients, everything. Like, you know, life happens and we just get so busy. We get out there, we get up and about, and mostly I find myself eating a chocolate, eating biscuit, because I'm hungry, but I do not have time to cook. But I really have to eat. So you find that you're filling yourself up on foods that you should not, foods that are not good for your bones. They're not good for your, you know, they're just not good for your inner self. They're just not good for your brain. They're not feeding your bones. They're not feeding your internal organs. They're not feeding anything. That's why you find sometimes your body just kind of can't take it. And sometimes, have you noticed that when you eat something, yeah, you immediately start dozing? It's not because you've eaten something or because you're tired. No, it's because you have put your body under like so much pressure. It needs to digest. It just shut down. It just shuts down, guys. It just shuts down. I've done fastings. I've done so many things. So when I'm talking about something, just kind of take some few points. And I've also listened to so many YouTubers that talk about health and things like that. So your body sometimes does shut down. The headaches that you get, it's not like you're stressed or anything. No, it's because of the food that you've eaten. You're feeding yourself with wrong things. So with this, I will ensure that my life still goes on. I still eat what I eat, but then I'm gonna add this 2 supplements so that I ensure that I get the daily recommended fruit and vegetable intake. These things have got everything, like the booster. What is the booster made up? Or it's also got green tea extract. It's a multi-fruit. Yep, I love this. I love this. And the berry blend. I'm in love with the berry blend. Berry blend. These are 120 capsules. So what does this contain? So it says food supplement of dried juice and pulp from grapes and berries with vitamins. So it's got ginger root, it's got blackcurrant, cocoa powder is good. Cocoa powder is a good antioxidant. Yeah. And what else does it got? Blackcurrant. So like all the berries, grapes, everything is in here. So guys, I am so excited for my new venture and for my health as well. I'm just looking forward. I just can't wait to update you all how everything's going in the next 3 or 6 months, because I need to ensure everything is working. Let me not bore you, but if you would like to join me, do leave a comment. And like opportunities, franchising opportunities, you can join the business. There are countries that it is Juice Plus operates in, and unfortunately at the moment it does not operate in Africa. So if you're in Europe, guys, get on board. Let's make some money. Let's go to Dubai for holidays. Oh yes. So guys, yeah, that's it for me today. I'm so excited that I got my package. Yeah, and it's bye for now till next time. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe.